Hello friends, welcome to Santhi Online Plants. In this video, we are going to see about self-watering pot plants at our nursery. Did you know about what is the self-watering pot plants? It is light in weight, it is easy to handle, self-drainage and self-watering by capillary action. If we pour the water at the base of the pot, the plants will absorb the water through capillary action. Now I pour the water at the base of the pot. Only little amount of water I pour. After few hours, through capillary action, water seems to be decreased and it absorbed by plants. And next we are going to see about what are the pot plants are available with us. Firstly, air purifier plants. Philodendrons, it is a NASA approved air purifier and environment cleansing plants. There are 4 varieties are available. Firstly, Philodendron Birkin Pink, second Philodendron Birkin Green, and Philodendron Pink Princess and Philodendron Paraisoveride. And now we can see about the speciality of the philodendrons. It removes the indoor pollutions and toxins such as formaldehyde, benzene, xylene and toluene, and radiations emitted from the electronic devices such as laptops, mobile phones, etc. It probably keeps the environment pollution and toxic free and refreshes the air. Secondly, we are going to see about tissue culture plants, caladiums. It is true to true type. It is virus-free plants which are produced from our tissue culture laboratory. It is one of the ornamental plant and bedding plants. There are totally 3 beautiful varieties are available with us. Firstly, Caladium Poison Dot Frog, Caladium Pink Dot and Caladium Stardust. Third one is Aglaonema. It is the most beautiful ornamental plant and mild air purifier. It is propagated through tubers and it has a rhizotomous growth. There are totally 3 beautiful varieties are available with us: Aglaonema Pink Valentine, Aglaonema Red Valentine and Aglaonema Super White. The most speciality of this plant is it gives a contrasting color to the indoor environment. Fourth one is ornamental banana, Musa Siam Ruby. It is one of the rare plant variety which is originated from Thailand. It is a perennial plant which is grown for foliage purpose only. It is sterile, does not bear any fruit, and it has the most beautiful burgundy foliage and it can be placed in front of offices, corridors and other suitable environments. Now we are going to see about plant care of self-watering pot plants. First, soil. It requires well-drained fertile soil or coco-peat pot mix. And next, sunlight. Sunlight requires for ornamental banana is 5 to 6 hours in direct sunlight only. In case of other indoor plants, it requires 2 to 3 hours of indirect sunlight. And next, watering. Watering has to be done twice or thrice in a week in alternate days. And next, fertilizer. Applications of any organic fertilizer around the plants once in a month. Hope you have enjoyed our videos and got more information about our self-watering pot plants. To know more about plants, visit our website www.santhionlineplants.com and purchase plants and organic fertilizer at affordable cost. Thank you all. Go green and save green.